Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from Macmedics again. So lots of customers of ours have purchased used machines off of eBay or Amazon or other third-party sellers, and Apple kind of tricks us with stuff. Like, you see this laptop? I mean, it could be brand new, but it's actually from 2017. It's a great laptop, all things considered. I mean, 2017 wasn't the best year for Macs. But when you go on Amazon and you search for a Mac, you can often overpay because the sellers often don't include the model number of the Mac or the year of the Mac. It just looks like a new Mac. And that's what you're looking for. Problem is, you'll often overpay. Now, this one's pretty decent. It still runs Ventura. It's a pretty solid laptop, all things considered. But I just helped a customer yesterday who his church had purchased him a quote-unquote new laptop from Amazon. It was a third-party seller. It ended up being a 2017 13-inch, which is definitely not a laptop I would recommend, and ended up paying almost $500 for it. So he didn't realize what he was getting. He paid too much, and the laptop ended up being sick, which is why he ended up here in the shop. Always make sure you know what you're getting. If you are buying a used device, ask for the serial number. You can always email me or call the shop. We can look at the serial number and let you know what it is. But this has happened many, many times. People buy a laptop off of Walmart or Amazon or eBay, and they have no idea what year machine it is that they're buying, and they end up with something that's much older and in a much worse condition. And in the case of the customer who came in yesterday, his battery was at 88%, which is decent, but not ideal. So just keep your wits about you, and remember, you can buy an M2 Air for $999. So there's no world where I'd pay $500 for a 2017, which is approximately 50% of what a new Mac would cost. Plus, with an M1, M2, or M3, or any new Mac laptop, the battery's going to last 3 times the length of an Intel-based one. So keep that in mind. And even the M1 is going to be approximately 10 times the processing power of any Intel-based laptop. And don't forget to back up your data. All new Macs have embedded hard drives, which means if the Mac goes down, your data goes down with it. Use Time Machine.